school, ready to start the day. Today we started writing about issue-based topics. I thought freedom of speech and social media censorship were quite interesting, so I chose them. We went out for a walk during gym class. The weather was quite hot today, over 30 degrees. I'm certainly working on circle geometry investigations problems.
A few moments later.
Today I'm continuing to do work on urban planning. The information I looked up yesterday was quite useful. I need to sort it out and write it into my work today. Today I'm dealing with a piece of wood that's a bit uneven. One side is too high and the other is too low, so I can't continue gluing it. Now, glue the trimmed wood to one side of this wood so that it will be balanced, and proceed with the next steps. Now glue this piece of wood on top so that the wall structure is more solid. It's very hot today, so
Your total
I
is
decided to have a cup of strawberry refresher, which is refreshing and thirst quenching.
Thank you. We'll have it.
Finally got a strawberry refresher. It feels refresher instantly.